I'm Jordan, co-founder of Intelligo, and now I'm going to show you how to bulk upload user information into the platform from a third-party database. Intelligo accepts user information in CSV format. Most third-party platforms will be able to export this, or you can easily create your own CSV file. I can import this information by clicking on the Imports tab. This gives information on the columns that you need to have in your CSV file. You can choose a first name, last name, and email address as the bare minimum, and then also include job title, company name, any access tags for the user, which are simply separated by commas, a password if you want to preset the user's password for them, and then any custom data, for example a phone number or a unique user ID that you want to make sure is tracked around the platform. When I've got my CSV file, I can simply upload it by clicking or dragging onto the upload icon. I've got some user information ready to go here. Once I've clicked to choose my information, I just hit the next step. This toggle is really important. So you can see here, my file has got what we call a header row. That denotes what information is in each column. If I click to activate this toggle, that means that Intelligo will look for the header row and discount the first line of each column. If I turn that off, it will see the first line as information in the platform and your upload might fail. So I'm going to turn that back on. Then I can map the columns by selecting what each column is from the drop-down. So this one is first name, this one is surname, this one is your email address, and this is a password that's been set up for them. I can also choose to ignore information that I don't want included in the upload. Then finally, I can choose to update any existing records that might be in the database for the same people. I can choose whether to send the invites or not, and I can choose whether to pre-onboard the users or whether to ask them to onboard themselves by filling out their profile information when they first log in. Underneath this, I can see the status of any previous imports that I've done. That's how you import a bulk database of users into your event.